What's up, everyone? We're on MCSG. Breeze Island. Is this Breeze? I don't know about this is. I don't think this is Breeze Island though. But I don't like water. It's too slow. Like, I don't know. Server's been really popular recently, which is good, you know. Oh my gosh. You're just knocking me. I got a boat though. Watch this. I'm gonna flex. You can't. Oh fucking bro. I don't know how to use a boat. What the? Oh, there's a whole like three person situation going on here. Let me hop in here. Come here. I'm invalid. Okay. Hold on, Loki. Come here. Okay. Yeah, I gotta run. I'm out of here. Oh my god, another guy! Bro, holy shit! Oh my gosh. Did I get 2v1? I think. Alright. Oh! I thought someone was hacking. Do not go there. Team of 3 over there. What the fuck? I looked at YouTube. I saw like me getting clipped by like a father with a kid. Like, yeah, I don't know how to feel about it, you know. What the? What are you doing, bro? I want your armor though. I want your armor though. Oh, I know. Oh, no. Wait. Why do people love like the slow maps? I don't know why people love the slow maps so much. But whatever. Bro. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna get. I got nothing. Oh my gosh, and I got knocked off. Oh, okay. Alright, we're on. We're on Breeze Island again. Wow. This is awesome. I don't think there's a point in getting like the mid chest on this map because like, bro, it's so slow. I don't know why anybody votes for these. I'm just gonna go straight to the pirate ship. We'll see this shit. Oh my god! Okay, there we go. And oh, those people are teaming. Okay. I'm gonna run up on them. Come here. Got your boy. Let me get this guy too. Oh, this. I got a 3-person team on me. Okay. All right. You know what? Wow. Yeah, this shit. Not a good game. You know.